Hello beautiful lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Please subscribe. It's all about beading, jewelry, fascinators and more. I am Miss Nanunu and I will be with you on your tutorial journey. For some time now, fascinators have been trending, and wearing fascinators gives a lady a pleasant stare. It's true. So now let's start to make one for ourselves, and it's easy. So this is our crinoline fabric. It is a stiff but also an elastic fabric. What I'm about to do is to stitch both sides and the length of the crinoline, which is going to look like you. But before I do the stitching, I bend both sides to melt and prevent the edges from fraying. All I'm doing is tack stitching, and now I'm also securing the start point of the stitch. We are done, and all we are about to do is to pull the fishing line to gather the crinoline and quill the fabric. And again, I'm securing my stitch by wrapping the fishing line around the fabric and randomly sewing through. To cover the stitch, glue a little felt to do the cover up. I have got this pretty little flowers, and I'm adding a tiny bit of adhesive. have got a felt of 1 by 2 inches and I'm gluing just the sides. Later, we will fix in our headband through the loop we just created. At this point, the adhesive is almost dried for fixing. So we will be fixing them on the crinoline. Now fixing the headband in the loop we created earlier. Please subscribe and share. Meet you here later. Don't forget to put on your notification bell to be notified anytime I make a post.